बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम रिस्पेक्टिव व्यूअर्स, उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो में आपके साथ सर्वे के मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट 100 MCQs शेयर किए जाएंगे। जैसा कि आप जानते ही होंगे कि सिविल इंजीनियरिंग का आप कोई भी टेस्ट देने जाएं तो सर्वे टॉपिक में से लाजमी 5 से 10 सवाल आते हैं, MCQs आते हैं। हम इस वीडियो में सर्वे टॉपिक को ही कवर करेंगे, तो जल्दी से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी वीडियो को। आप PPSC, NTS, FPSC, UTS, PTS, MES, ठीक है, आप कोई भी किसी भी पब्लिक कमीशन सर्विस के थ्रू सब इंजीनियरिंग का टेस्ट देने जाएंगे तो उसमें सर्वे टॉपिक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट होता है। सबसे पहले नंबर 1, द कर्वेचर ऑफ द अर्थ इनटू कंसीडरेशन इज इफ द लिमिट टू सर्वे इज 50 to 100 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर, 100 to 200 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर, 200 to 250 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर, more than 250 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर। राइट आंसर more than 250 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर, ऑप्शन डी इज राइट आंसर। नंबर 2 जी, इन ऑर्डर टू डिटरमाइन द नेचुरल फीचर्स सच अ वैली, रिवर, लीक्स, ETC द सर्वे प्रेफर्ड इज सिटी सर्वे, लोकेशन सर्वेइंग, कैडेस्ट्रल सर्वेइंग, टोपोग्राफी सर्वेइंग। टोपोग्राफी सर्वे, ऑप्शन डी इज राइट आंसर। नंबर 3, द reconstruction surveying in is carried out to determine the artificial features such as road, railway, canal building, etc. Option A true, option B false. False. Option B is right answer. Number 4, the surveying used to determine additional details such as boundaries if field is called city survey, location survey, cadastral survey, topography survey. Cadastral survey, option C is right answer. Number 5, fundamental principle of surveying is to work from the number A, whole to the part, part to the whole, lower level to high level, high level to low level. Right answer, whole to the part, option A is right answer. Number 6, the working from whole to the part is done is surveying is order to ensure that survey work is completed more quickly, number of errors in minimum, plotting is done more quickly, error and mistake of one portion due to affect the remaining portion. इसका राइट आंसर, एरर एंड मिस्टेक्स ऑफ वन पोर्शन डू नॉट इफेक्ट द रिमेनिंग पोर्शन, ऑप्शन डी इज राइट आंसर। गाइज, अगर आपको वीडियो की समझ आ रही है तो आपको वीडियो से थोड़ा बहुत अभी नॉलेज मिल रहा है तो आपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लाजमी फीडबैक देना है और साथ साथ आपने इसकी अपनी प्रैक्टिस भी करते जानी है और एंड में, वीडियो के एंड में अपने स्कोरिंग मार्क्स लाजमी कमेंट सेक्शन में बताने हैं। इससे ये होगा कि आपको अपनी प्रिपरेशन का भी अंदाज़ा हो जाएगा आपकी कितनी प्रिपरेशन है। नंबर 7, व्हेन 1 सेंटीमीटर ऑन अ मैप रिप्रेजेंट 10 मीटर ऑन द ग्राउंड, द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फ्रिक्शन ऑफ द स्केल इज 1/10, 1/100, 1/1000, 1/1 लाख। Option right answer, 1/1000 centimeter. Option C is right answer. Next 8 number, the representative friction 1/2500 means that scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 0.25 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 2.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 20 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 250 centimeter. Right answer इसका जी 1 centimeter is equal to 25 centimeter. Option C is right answer. Next 9 number, an average length of a paka is 80 centimeter, 60 centimeter, 100 centimeter, 120 centimeter. Right answer 80 centimeter. Option A is right answer. Next 10 number, the method of measuring distance by passing in chiefly used in reconstruction surveying, preliminary surveying, location surveying, all of these. Right answer reconnaissance surveying. Options A is right answer. Next 11 number an inward tab is generally used to accurate measurement of distance because is process. Number A 0, number B low, number C high. Low, right answer low. Number B is right answer. 12 number है जी, the instrument attached. 12 number, the instrument attached to the wheel of a wheel in order to measuring the distance travels is called posometer, pedometer, odometer, speedometer. Right answer odometer. Option C is right answer. Next 13, direct ranging is possible only when end stations are close to each other, not more than 100 meters apart, mutually intervisible, located at highest point in the sea. Right answer intervisible. Option C is right answer. Next 14, the error is measured length due to incorrect holding to chain. Compensating error, cumulative error, instrument error, negative error. Right answer compensating error. Option A is right answer. Next 15, a line joining the apex of a triangle to some fixed point on the opposite side is called. Number A, check line, tie line, baseline. None of these. Right answer check line. Option A is right answer. 16 number G, a line joining some fixed point on the main survey line is called as. Number A, check line, tie line, baseline. None of these. Tie line. Option B is right answer. 17 number, a baseline in a chain survey. Option A, check the accuracy of the framework. Option B, enable survey to locate the interior detail which are far away from the main chain line. Number C, fix up the direction of all lines. Right answer fix up the direction of all lines. Option C is right answer. 18, in a well conditioned triangle no angle should be less than. Number A, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 60 degree. 30 degree. Option A is right answer. 19, chain survey is most suitable when area to surveyed in small, ground in freely level open with simple details plain or required on a large scale. All of these chain survey, all of these is the right answer. Next 20, a check line is chain survey. Option A, check the accuracy of the framework, fix up the direction of all other line, enable the surveying to locate the interior detail which are far away from the main chain line. Option D is right answer. Check the accuracy from the framework. Check the accuracy from the framework. Option A is right answer. Question number 21, a tie line in a chain survey. Check the accuracy of the framework, fix up the direction of all other line, enable the survey to locate the interior detail which are far away from the main chain line. Option D is right answer. Right answer. Enable the survey to locate the interior detail which are far away from the main chain line. Option C is right answer. Question number 22, in a whole circle bearing system, east 25 degree 15 minutes east, south 25 degree 15 minutes east correspond to. Option A, 101 15 degree 15 minutes, 154 degree 45 minutes, 205 degree 15 minutes, 303 334 degree 45 minutes. Right answer 154 degree 45 minutes. Option B is right answer. Next G23, in a whole circle bearing system and 25 degree 15 minutes W west corresponds to 115 डिग्री 15 मिनट्स, 154 डिग्री 15 मिनट्स, 205 डिग्री 15 मिनट्स, 334 डिग्री 15 मिनट्स, 334 डिग्री 334 डिग्री 45 मिनट, राइट आंसर ऑप्शन डी 334 डिग्री 45 मिनट, राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 24, इफ द फॉरबेरिंग ऑफ अ लाइन इज 36 डिग्री 15 मिनट्स, इट्स बैक बेरिंग विल बी 36 डिग्री 15 मिनट्स, 126 डिग्री 15 मिनट्स, 143 डिग्री 15 मिनट्स, 216 डिग्री 15 मिनट्स, राइट आंसर 216 डिग्री 15 मिनट, ऑप्शन डी इज राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 25, इफ द फॉरबेरिंग ऑफ अ लाइन इज 36 डिग्री 15 मिनट, 126 डिग्री 15 मिनट्स, 143 डिग्री 15 मिनट्स, 216 डिग्री 15 मिनट्स, राइट आंसर 216 डिग्री 15 मिनट्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जी 26, इफ द फॉरबेरिंग ऑफ अ लाइन इन एन 26 डिग्री 35 मिनट्स डब्ल्यू, बैक बेरिंग विल बी साउथ 26 डिग्री 35, ईस्ट साउथ 26 डिग्री 35, वेस्ट नॉर्थ 26 डिग्री 35 ईस्ट, नॉर्थ 26 डिग्री 35 वेस्ट, राइट आंसर है जी साउथ 26 डिग्री 35 मिनट्स ईस्ट, एस ई, ऑप्शन ए इज राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 37, when the whole circle bearing of two line AB and AC are 150 minutes and 115 degree and 41 degree respectively, then the included angle BCA will be 41 degree, 74 degree, 115 degree, 156 degree, right answer 74 degree, option B is right answer। Next 28, question number 28, the horizontal angle between the true meridian and a survey line is called magnetic bearing, azimuth, dip, magnetic declination, right answer azimuth, option B is right answer। Next question 29, the horizontal angle between the true meridian and magnetic meridian is known as, option A true bearing, dip, local attraction, magnetic declination, right answer magnetic declination, option D is right answer। Next 30, at the equator of the amount of dip is 0 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, right answer or 0 degree, option A is right answer। 31, at the magnetic pole the amount of dip is 0 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, right answer 19 degree, option D is right answer। 32, the line passing through point at which the magnetic declination is equal at the give time are called isogonic lines, agonic lines, iso lines, none of these, right answer isogonic lines, option A is right answer। Next 33, when the magnetic bearing of the sun at noon is 185 degree 20 minutes, the magnetic declination will be 5 degree 20 minutes east, 5 degree 20 minutes west, 5 degree 20 minutes north, 5 degree 20 minutes south, इसका right answer जी 5 degree 20 minutes west, option B is right answer। Next 34, when the magnetic declination is 5 degree 20 minutes east, the magnetic bearing of the sun at the moon will be, option A 95 degree 20 minutes, option B 174 degree 20 minutes, option C 185 degree 20 minutes, option D 354 degree 40 minutes, right answer 354 degree 40 minutes, option D is right answer। Next 34, the magnetic bearing of a line 55 degree 30 minutes and the magnetic declination is 4 degree 5 minutes west, the true bearing of a line will be 30 degree, 34 degree, 49 degree, 51 degree, right answer 51 degree, option D is right answer। 36, question number, the magnetic bearing of a line is south 35 degree 30 minutes and the magnetic declination is 4 degree 10 minute east, the true bearing of a line will be S 31 degree 30 east, south 31 degree 30 west, south 39 degree 50 east, south 39 degree 50 west, option right answer south 31 degree 30 minutes east, option A is right answer। Next question number 37, the theodolite is an instrument used for measuring survey accurately, Option A, horizontal angle only, vertical angle only, horizontal and vertical angles, line measurement. Right answer, horizontal and vertical angle. Option C is right answer. Next question number 38. The process of turning the telescope of a theodolite over the supporting axis through 180 degree in a vertical plane is called. Option A, transiting, reversing, plunging, all of these. Right answer, all of any one of these. Option D is right answer. Next question number 39. An angle made by a survey line with the prolongation of the preceding line is known as A, direct angle, vertical angle, horizontal angle, deflection angle. Right answer, deflection angles. Option D is right answer. Next question 14. Choice number A, deflection angle is in a transverse is equal to the. Option A, difference between the includes angle and 180 degree, difference between 360 degree and the included angle, sum of the included angle and 180 degree, none of these. Right answer, difference between the included angle and 180 degree. Option A is right answer. Next 41. The deflection angle may be have any value between 0 degree and 45 degree, 0 degree and 90 degree, 0 degree and 120 degree, 0 degree and 180 degree. Right answer, 0 degree and 180 degree. Option D is right answer. Next question number 42. An angle mirrored clockwise from the preceding survey line to the following survey line is called. Option A, direct angle, vertical angle, horizontal angle, deflection angle. Right answer, deflection angle. Option D is right answer. Next 43. The deflection angle may be directly obtained by setting the instrument to roll. Option A, 0 degree. Option B, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree. Right answer, 0 degree. Option A is right answer. Question number 44. The direct angle may be have value between 0 degree and 90 degree, 0 degree and 120 degree, 0 degree and 180 degree, 360 degree. Option D is right answer. Next 45. Question number 45. In a leveling, the correction for curvature in meter is equal where the distance from the level of the staff reading in kilometer. 0.00785 d2. Option B 0.0785 d2. Option C. Option D. Right answer इसका है जी 0.0785 d square. Option B is right answer. Next question 46. In leveling, the correction for combined curvature and reflection in meter is equal to. Option A, B, C, D. इसका right answer है जी 0.0673 d square. Option D is right answer. Next 47. The horizontal distance between any two consecutive contour is called vertical, horizontal, contour, gradient, contour interval. Right answer, horizontal. Respective the horizontal distance इसका जो right answer है option B is right answer. Horizontal equivalent. Next 48. The vertical distance between any two consecutive contour is called vertical equivalent, horizontal equivalent, contour interval, contour in gradient. Right answer, contour interval. Option C is right answer. Next question 49. The contour line can cross one and other on map only in the case of a vertical cliff, a valley, a ridge, a overhanging cliff. Right answer, a overhanging cliff. Option D is right answer. Next question number 50. When several contour coincident in indicates. Option A vertical cliff, a valley, a ridge, a vertical cliff. Right answer, A vertical cliff. Option A is right answer. Question number 51. Contour line, cross ridge or valley line is 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Right answer, 90 degree. Option D is right answer. Question number 52. The degree of the curve in the angle subtended by a chord of. Option A 15 meter, 20 meter, 25 meter, 30 meter. Right answer, 30 meter. Option D is right answer. Question number 53. When R is the radius of the curve in meter, D is the degree of curve in degree, and length of the chord 30 meter, then the relation between R एंड डी इज ऑप्शन ए बी सी डी। इसका जो राइट आंसर है आर इज इक्वल टू 1750 ओवर डी। ऑप्शन बी इज राइट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 54, द लेंथ ऑफ चेन मेड फ्रॉम सेंटर to one handle to center of the other handle. Option B, outside of one handle, outside to other handle. Option C, outside to one handle to inside the other handle. Option D, inside of one handle to inside of other handle. इसका जो राइट आंसर है outside of one handle, outside to other handle. Outside to one handle, outside to other handle. Option C is right answer. Very important question है ये 54. Next question है जी 55. If the true bearing of line AB is 269 degree 30 minutes, then the azimuth of the line AB 0 degree 30 minutes, 89 degree 30 minutes, 90 degree 30 minutes, 269 degree 30 minutes. Right answer 90 degree 30 minutes. Option C is right answer. Next question number 56. Gantt chart indicate comparison of actual progress with the scheduling progress, balance of work to be done, progressive cost of project, inventory costs. Right answer comparison of actual progress with the scheduling progress. Option A is right answer. 57. Airline drawn on a map of locate in the plane view point of equal ground elevation. Option A, profile. Option B, contours, elevations, heads. Right answer, elevation. Option C is right answer. Next question number 58. The angle between two plane mirror of optical square is very important question. 20 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree. Right answer 45 degree. Option C is right answer. Next 59. Normal tension is that pull which in use at the time of stands the tab neutralize the effect to pull and sag, make the correction due to sag equal to 0, make the correction due to pull to 0. इसका right answer neutralize the effect to pull and sag. Option B is right answer. Next question number 60. The number of link in revenue chain is 150, 33, 16. 16. Right answer 16. 16. Option D is right answer. 61 है जी, which of the following angle can be out with the help of French cross staff? 45 degree only, 90 degree only, either 45 or 90, any angle. Right answer either 45 degree or 90 degree. Respective viewers, अगर आपको वीडियो की समझ आ रही है, आपको थोड़ा बहुत भी नॉलेज मिल रहा है, तो आपने वीडियो के आखिर में कमेंट सेक्शन में लाजमी फीडबैक देना है और आपने अपनी प्रैक्टिस भी साथ साथ करते जानी है और एंड में आपने सिक्योरिंग मार्क्स अपने बताने हैं कमेंट सेक्शन में। इससे आपको आपके प्रिपरेशन का भी अंदाज़ा हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जी 62. द मिनिमम टॉलरेंस इन आ 20 मीटर चेन इज प्लस माइनस 2 मिलीमीटर, प्लस माइनस 3 मिलीमीटर, प्लस माइनस 5 मिलीमीटर, प्लस माइनस 8 मिलीमीटर। इसका राइट आंसर प्लस माइनस 5 मिलीमीटर। ऑप्शन सी इज राइट आंसर। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। Next 63. Cross staff is used for setting out right angle, measuring distance, measuring actual angle, leveling. Right answer. Setting out right angle. Option A is right answer. 64. Angle between both lanes to optical square. Option A 90 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 120 degree. Right answer 45 degree. Option C is right answer. Next is 65. The method of surveying in which the field work and plotting is done simultaneously is called. ऑप्शन ए इज चेन सर्वे, ऑप्शन बी प्लेन टेबल सर्वे, कंपास सर्वे, टेकोमेट्री सर्वे। इसका राइट आंसर प्लेन टेबल सर्वे। ऑप्शन बी इज राइट आंसर। 66. बेंचमार्क एस्टेब्लिश्ड एट दी ऑफ डे लेवलिंग वर्क इज कॉल्ड जीटीएस बेंचमार्क, परमानेंट, टेम्परेरी, आर्बिट्री। अब राइट आंसर जो इसका है जी टेम्परेरी बेंचमार्क्स। ऑप्शन सी इज राइट आंसर। 67. बाउंड्री लाइन ऑफ अ स्टिल वाटर इन लेक शो, कंटोर लाइन, लेवल लाइन, हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन, वर्टिकल लाइन। Right answer contour line. Option A is right answer. Next 68. Leveling, centering and orientation of plane is called setting, radiation, intersection, centering. Right answer setting. Option A is right answer. 69. In closed traverse the algebraic sum of departure is 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree. राइट आंसर 0 डिग्री, ऑप्शन ए इज राइट आंसर। 70 नंबर क्वेश्चन, द इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज टू मेजरिंग ऑफ हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस इन प्लेन टेबल, ऑप्शन ए प्लेन टेबल सर्वे, टेलीस्कोप, एलिडेट, कैलेनीमीटर, यू फ्रेम। राइट आंसर telescope, elidate, option B is right answer। next question 71, how many type of benchmark are there in survey, benchmark की कितनी किस्म है, 1, ऑप्शन ए 1 2 3 4, राइट आंसर 4, 4 एग्जाम है जी benchmark की। next question number 72, positive departure is also called, ऑप्शन ए नॉर्थिंग, साउथिंग, वेस्टिंग, ईस्टिंग, राइट आंसर ईस्टिंग, ऑप्शन डी इज राइट आंसर। Question number 73, sum of internal angle of hexagon traverse, 63, sum of internal angle of hexagon traverse is 540 डिग्री, 720 डिग्री, 900 डिग्री, 1020 डिग्री। राइट आंसर है जो इसका है जी 720, ऑप्शन बी इज राइट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 74, इन केस ऑफ रोड सर्वे विच ट्रांसवर्स इज सूटेबल, ऑप्शन ए ओपन, ऑप्शन बी क्लोज, ऑप्शन सी है जी बोथ ए एंड बी नन ऑफ दिस। इसका जो राइट आंसर है ओपन, ऑप्शन ए इज राइट आंसर। 75, व्हेन सम ऑफ टू एंगल इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री द रिजल्टेंट इज कॉल्ड डैश एंगल, नंबर ए एडजस्ट, रिफ्लेक्स, कंप्लीमेंट, सप्लीमेंट। राइट आंसर कंप्लीमेंट, ऑप्शन ए सी इज राइट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 76, द इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज the instrument which is used plane table survey to obtaining horizontal and vertical distance directly with the wrist, option A is plane elidate, option B telescope elidate, calanometer, U frame। right answer telescope elidate, option B is right answer। question number 76, when the whole circle bearing of two line AB and AC are 115 degree and 41 degree respectively, then the included angle BCA will be, option A 74 degree, 41 degree, 115 degree, 156 degree। right answer 74, option A is right answer 74 degree। question number 78, if the true bearing of line AB 269 degree 30 मिनट, then the azimuth of the line AB is 0 degree 30 मिनट, 89 degree 30 मिनट, 90 डिग्री 30 मिनट, 269 डिग्री 30 मिनट। राइट आंसर जो है इसका जी 90 डिग्री 30 मिनट, ऑप्शन सी इज राइट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 78, द नंबर ऑफ लिंक इन रेवेन्यू चेन इज 33, 50, 116। राइट आंसर 33, ऑप्शन ए इज राइट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 79, आर बी इज इक्वल टू डब्ल्यू सी बी इज इन फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट, सेकंड कोऑर्डिनेट, थर्ड कोऑर्डिनेट, फोर्थ कोऑर्डिनेट। right answer first coordinate। question number 80, question number 81, if RB is equal to 6 degree 45 minutes SE, find WCB। 173 डिग्री, ऑप्शन ए 173 डिग्री 15 मिनट, 174 डिग्री 15 मिनट, 175 डिग्री 15 मिनट, 176 डिग्री 15 मिनट। राइट आंसर 173, 173 डिग्री 15 मिनट्स, option A is right answer। 82, the instrument having a telescope with 3 horizontal crosshair is called theodolite, auto level, dump level, tachometer। right answer tachometer, option D is right answer। question number 83, the first reading of staff at the point to benchmark is called backside, interside, foresight, anyone। right answer backside, option A is right answer। 84, algebraic sum of external angle of four sided closed traverse, नंबर ए 540 डिग्री, 860 डिग्री, 980 डिग्री, 1080 डिग्री। राइट आंसर 1080, 180 डिग्री इज राइट आंसर, ऑप्शन डी इज राइट आंसर। 84, इन Gale's table all point of traverse is brought in the quadrant, option A first, option B second, option C third, option D fourth। right answer first coordinate, option। next question है जी 86, the length of one link interchain is 1 feet, 0.2 feet, 0.66 feet, 0.97 feet। right answer 0.660 0.66 feet। Next 87, in plain table survey the operation with must be carried out. Centering, leveling, orientation, all of these. Right answer all of these. Option D is right answer. Question number 88, a line joining the optical center of the object glass to the center of the eyepiece is called. Option A, axis of telescope, collimation, bubble axis, center line. Right answer axis of telescope. Option A is right answer. Question number 89, the first, sorry ये आप इस दुरुस्त कर लेना, the first reading of staff at the point or benchmark is called. Option A, backside, interside, foresight, anyone. Right answer backside. Option A is right answer. Question number 90, crosshair are made clear by means of eyepiece, focusing screw, photo screw, all of these. Right answer eyepiece. Option A is right answer. Question number 91, the radius bearing of line N 87 degree west, its WCB is 87 degree to 70 degree, 73 degree, 93 degree, 3 degree. Right answer to 73 degree, 273 degree. Option B is right answer. Question number 91, removal of parallax may be achieved by focusing. The objective, the eyepiece, the objective and eyepiece, none of these. Right answer the objective and eyepiece. Option C is right answer. Question number 92, benchmark of a line is equal to forbearing plus minus 90 degree, forbearing plus minus 180 degree, forbearing plus minus 360 degree, forbearing plus minus 270 degree. Right answer forbearing plus minus 180 degree. Option B is right answer. Question number 93, 1 radian is equal to pi over 180 degree, 180 degree over pi, 360 degree over pi, pi over 90. Right answer 180 degree over pi. Option B is right answer. 94, radius of 1 degree curve is 1720 मीटर, 1500 मीटर, 1200 मीटर, 1000 मीटर. Right answer 1720 मीटर. Option A is right answer. Question number 95, leveling operation always start from a BM, datum line, CP, TL. Right answer BM, benchmark. Next question 96, difference of back bearing and forbearing of a line is WCB system 90 degree, 180 degree to 70 degree, 360 degree. Right answer 180 degree. Option B is right answer. Question number 97, horizontal distance between centroid of this section of cutting and filling is termed as lead, lift, help, carriage. Lead. Option A is right answer. अगर गाइस स्टेटमेंट में वर्टिकल आए तो लिफ्ट आएगा, अगर हॉरिजॉन्टल आए तो लीड आएगा. 98, हाइड्रोग्राफिक सर्वे इज कैरिड आउट टू डिटरमाइन. ऑप्शन ए एरिया, वॉल्यूम, डिस्चार्ज, ऑल ऑफ दीज. डिस्चार्ज. ऑप्शन सी इज राइट आंसर. अच्छा व्यूवर्स, अगर आपको वीडियो से थोड़ा बहुत भी नॉलेज मिला है तो आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना है. इंशाल्लाह ऐसी मज़ीद वीडियो आपको मिलती रहेंगी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 99, RL ऑफ BM प्लस BS, HI, RL, FC, IS. राइट आंसर HI, हाइट ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर, आज की वीडियो का आखिरी क्वेश्चन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन 100, इन्वर्टेड स्टाफ रीडिंग इज टेबुलेटेड एज पॉजिटिव, इनवर्स, नेगेटिव, नॉन ऑफ दिस. ऑप्शन नेगेटिव. ऑप्शन सी इज राइट आंसर. अच्छा व्यूअर्स, ये थी आज की वीडियो जिसमें आपके साथ 100 सर्वे के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन शेयर किए गए हैं. तो आपने इस वीडियो को लाजमी देख लेना है, ये आपके लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होगी. तो मज़ीद वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को क्लिक कर लें. आखिर में यह है कि अल्लाह पाक आपको अपने नेक मकासद में कामयाबी अता फरमाए और अपनी रहमतों का नुज़ूल फरमाए. आमीन.